I'm at SCN. I'm the legal and admin manager in a construction engineering firm called Fidelio Engineering Services Limited here in Abuja. My experience at Fordax, I would say, was very enlightening. I have learned a lot. I've learned entrepreneurial skills. I've learned how to start, run a business successfully. So I would say that my experience was really, really informative and enlightening. I've also learned how to strategically, think and analyze situation. By the business analysis course we took, I'm able to, analyze situations and make informed decisions. My topic is of my project is legal practice as a business, an analysis of running a law firm for growth and profitability. I chose this topic because of the perspective we lawyers have about business. We have this, our profession is entirely a conservative one where we are trained to, let's see, to practice as a profession, not as a business. So I took on this course to just, create more or less like a sensitization amongst we lawyers that we should have an entrepreneurial mindset, we should deploy business principles to our practice in order for us to thrive and grow. For that school, my experience here was very, like I said, very, very informative and enlightening. And I would advise anyone to come to Fordax Business School because here the instructors are very knowledgeable, they're very engaging. I had a very enjoyable experience here, and also you learn skills for every startup business. You're going to learn all the skills required for that.